Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. I have recorded a video of just over a minute. So that you be careful when removing the map sensor. Here the client has brought it to us, the car, on a tow truck. Because yesterday watching a video that I had uploaded the map sensor failure, how to detect it. Because he realized that his car had these symptoms, I will put the link of that video. Then what did he do? You can try to remove the map sensor. This sensor had never changed in this vehicle and with a screwdriver, because to remove it he pried and broke the part that goes inside the intake manifold. Look, there, as you can see, there is missing a part. There is still half a centimeter missing. Look, now we are here in the workshop, as I say, has brought it in by crane. It has done very well, and now we are here pulling out the piece with a hook, because of course, if that piece gets inside the intake manifold, from there it would go to the cylinders, it would go to a cylinder and it could destroy valves, etc., etc. That is, a fat fault. He has done very well not to try to remove it, because sometimes, this has already happened to us other times, that there have been people who have pushed him in because this, notice, that is the piece what is missing, that is very hard plastic, and if that enters the cylinder and dances inside, well, I already said that the fault could be of the faces. In fact, it has already happened to us on some occasion, having to disassemble the cylinder head, and a fault would be precisely because of this same piece. In other cars, for example, it is easier to remove it. In this car it is an Opel Astra H. Okay, look. There you have the map sensor, and as I say, that is the part that goes inside the intake manifold. That is what has broken when forcing it with the screwdriver. Here what is done is a little more lever is done, but a little, when it is very hard, this that has never been changed. Okay, and then it is simply to grab, pull out, right to left with the hand, and in the end it ends up coming out. Yes, if we force it, we can start it. Not only in this vehicle, there are other vehicles that the exact same thing can happen. Well, it has been a long time since we have not seen this, but it is not the first time, and it is not the first time that someone has changed this. Does not realize that a piece has split, puts another, presses it inside, of course, and you know, when you turn on the engine of the vehicle, this happens to the cylinder, and as it is a plastic, as I say, very hard, because the breakdown, it can be fat. I have seen engines exactly blown by this, simply because of this piece. Okay, as I say, be careful when extracting this, and if you are not sure, it is preferable that you take it to your trusted workshop and have it replaced, because now I say that if the admission swallows it and it ends up in the cylinder, well, I said, the breakdown will be much more expensive than simply changing this part. Okay, well, here you have this video. If it is so useful, because do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.